You guys, I have literally waited 24 hours to open one of these items. Hey guys, it's Jess from She's Posh. Welcome back. And today I'm doing a fun haul video. I have 2 things to unbox, and then I have 3 other things to show you that I have recently purchased that I didn't unbox properly on this channel. I make videos every Sunday, Wednesday, and Friday, so please remember to hit subscribe below and ring my bell so we can become best friends here on the internet. Okay guys, I am so proud of myself. Like, I've literally waited to unbox one of these items for 24 hours. The other item came last night, so that one has been about 16 hours without unboxing it, but I thought, I knew it was filming today, that I would actually unbox 2 of these items on here, and then I would share with you another 3 items that I've recently purchased on the secondhand market that I never shared with you. So let's go on with the first item. So the first item I'm actually wearing right now, this is the Christian Dior, the CD logo ring that is in the chain. This is the one that's in the antique. They have one that's like a shiny gold, and this is the one that's like the antique gold. It's in the large size. However, I was hoping it would fit on my middle finger, but it doesn't. I have usually get the mediums in these rings, but for some reason it doesn't fit in the middle finger over here, but obviously on my hand that is less dominant, it fits like right on there. The cool thing about this CD thing, I don't know if you know, it's like the CD is on both sides. So no matter what way you flip the jewelry and stuff like that, you can see the CD anyway. So if you look at it this way, CD, which I think is really cool. I love it because the Christian Dior costume jewelry doesn't make me break out. I have a sensitivity to nickel and those things. And I saw this, and this usually retails, I believe, around $500. I'll have to look it up. But they had it on sale, and I had it saved from a luxury closet. They're based out in Dubai. They're one of my favorite secondhand sites. They have so many items, and they are always listing things with great prices, and especially if you can get them under $800, there's no tax or duties. So this one, they had reduced it, and it was finally under $400. I would say it was like $360. I had some of their TLC cash, which is money they give you, and also there was some percentage off, so I decided to go ahead and grab this piece. It is pretty substantial, like the weight, like you can feel it. It's a very high quality ring, and I just think it looks so cute, but not something I would want to spend like $500 on. So when I was able to get it at a good price, and I know it's not going to make me break out, then it's definitely a win in my book. Next were these Hermes shoes right here. These shoes are something I've always wanted. I've always wanted to get like a heel version. I forget what they call this exact shoe here, but you know, they remind you of the Oran or the Oasis sandals. You have this kind of classic H mark on the toe here, and I just love these type of sandals. They also have like the heel version and things. So when I saw this come across, I went ahead and saved it. And during the same time that I was able to get this on sale, this had been reduced in price, because what's nice is like you save the items on the luxury closet and you are able to get notified. They just notify you anytime there's discounts, similar to Fashion File. However, their prices are a lot cheaper than Fashion File in my opinion. Yes, if it's over $800, you will have to pay duties with it, and it does come DHL. So that means usually DHL, it's about 10% because they charge you a fee for the duties. So that's the only thing with that. However, usually it's 10% more of whatever the item is. So if it's at $800, you're gonna be paying about $80 in taxes and duties to get it sent to you, but it's always free shipping. So yeah, I was so excited to grab these. They're super comfortable. They're actually in my favorites last month, because anytime I wanted to dress up or look nice, but I was walking somewhere and I didn't want my feet to like die, I would wear these cuties right here. I also got these shoes, guys. I finally got my hands on these. These are my favorites. These are the Jimmy Choo bow sandals. These also showed up on the luxury closet, and they are size 37.5. And normally a 37.5 will work with me in Jimmy Choo sandals. Like, that is definitely something that I've done before, but if it is a closed shoe, I always go with a 38 because when you're wearing those type of shoes, my feet tend to swell. So I usually get a 38 in Jimmy Choo, but I have gotten sandals of theirs in a 37.5. So when this popped up on the site, this came with everything. These were lightly used shoes and they retail for over $900. So when tax and everything, it was right around $1,000 for these shoes. I was able to get these shoes for like $560. They were reduced. That's why I absolutely love the luxury closet. They have some of the best deals around. So yeah, I went ahead and I snatched these up. Now these are higher heel than I really like in sandals, especially open-toed sandals, because your feet are getting pushed forward. This is the 100 millimeter. I really like an 85. So these shoes, right off the bat, they're absolutely gorgeous. However, they are extremely uncomfortable to stand in for long periods of time. And they also rub around your toes because the way this strap is, it is a cloth on the outside and then you do have leather on the inside. So there isn't really a lot of give to this particular piece. If it was leather, then it probably would stretch out a lot better. But since it is like a cloth type material on there, it really doesn't stretch out as much. So I did put lotion and stuff on there, but it's definitely not shoes that I would wear if I had to walk around for a while, like if I was at a wedding and I had to walk around. These are just shoes to look nice, where I'm just like going out to dinner, you know, just have to be on my feet for a little bit and then I'm sitting down most of the time. Maybe if I'm going to a show or something like that, I could wear the car to the venue and then I'm sitting down for most of the time and then get back up because it will cause a blister. I did wear these for my photo shoot. So yeah, I think these are absolutely gorgeous. They'd be great for a wedding. However, I wouldn't pay $1,000 for a pair of shoes that are super uncomfortable, but shoes that are super pretty, I would pay under $600 for. Okay guys, let's get to the unboxing. So this first piece here is a handbag, and it is a handbag that I mentioned that I would think about getting if I could find it on sale. It is from Gaia. So this is one of their long fringe clutches, and I found it for a really great price. So this is a bag that usually retails around $365, and it was on sale from Nordstrom's, and I got Rakuten. I got it for around $260, and then I'm planning on renting this bag out, but let's just open it up. This came from Nordstrom, and here is the bag right here. It's in the dust bag. And for being under $300, I thought this would be something really fun to use. It's in the Gaia dust bag. And I kind of had to because this was the last one they had. Oh, this is the satin one. They gave me the wrong bag, but this is the more expensive bag. So this is the Satin Clutch, and it is more expensive than the bag that I had originally asked for. So guys, I just got the more expensive bag. I'm not telling them. I am not telling them. So the original bag I had wanted was this bag. Like, this is the satin version. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. So I just got sent the wrong bag, but the more expensive bag. So the bag I was supposed to get was this bag here, which is it's like in almost like a raffia material kind of thing. And this is the satin one that retails for like close to $400. But this is the bag here. It has this really long fringe and stuff here. It is absolutely gorgeous, guys. Like, I'm speechless. I can't believe I got sent the wrong bag. Okay, so this is the better of the bags. I wish I could have, this is a bag that I would love to get. However, I wasn't gonna spend that much money on it. So yeah, I got sent the wrong bag, but your girl's loving it. So here is the clutch. So I really thought this was cute because I liked the fact that it had this little bow detail here. And as you can see, it's like super long. And I like that I could kind of hold it like this as a clutch. And you had this like drama. Look at this drama hanging down. Oh my goodness, I love it. So when you open it up, it has a really nice zipper. And inside you have this here, and you have some spots for your credit cards. And it's super soft in here. It's like a micro suede type of material. You turn it around, you just have minimal branding, the Cult Gaia. But what's super cute, which I loved, is you have a pocket right back here to stick your cell phone. It's magnetic, which we love. And I love this zipper right here, guys. It's like butter. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited that I got sent the wrong bag. Does this ever happen when people get sent the wrong bag, that they get excited? Okay, let me step back and let me show you the drama. Scoot back as far as I can. Yes, look at this drama. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. Look at the bow. And then I would probably, you know, hold it like this. You can like wrap this around. This kind of reminded me, there was this bag that Carrie Bradshaw had that had this really long, ridiculous fringe, and then her boyfriend made her go on a motorcycle. I would never forget that. But I had mentioned like the fringe trend is in like this. Oh, look at the drama. Like do it like something like this. So guys, what do you think? This is a successful mistake unboxing. I'm so excited. I also have one more thing from Cult Gaia. This is something that just makes sense. Like I saw this. This is a hat that I've been looking for. I thought, well, this just makes sense for me because I love wearing hats. Always wear hats when I'm at the beach. We go to the beach, we live by the lake, like all the time. And I have a lot of hair. So ideally when it's super hot out, I would love to wear my hair in like a bun like this and throw a hat on my head. However, my hair is so thick, if I pull my hair up like this, it doesn't fit in the hat. Like it makes the hat not fit properly. And then if I put it in a low bun, so it's still like touching the back of my neck, it's just, I'm not as cool as I would like to be. So when I saw this hat, they were out of stock of the one color that I thought I was gonna get. So maybe this will be another mistake, but I doubt it. But they had it in another version. So let's see. And here it is right here, guys. This is their visor hat right here. So basically it is a hat with a hole in the center, but it's like a visor. So I thought, oh my goodness, like I can wear my hair up in a high bun, but still have the full coverage hat. Because if I just wore a visor, you're like, oh, just wear a visor, Jess. You know, I could do that, but when I wear just like a visor, then the back of my head and the back of my shoulders, like my shoulders are still compromised. And the reason I like to wear the big hats is because I'm trying to protect my face and all that stuff from the elements. So let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I felt like this like gave so much glam. What do you think? It's like, it's super noisy, but it feels good on. Like you see, I just have my hair in a ponytail, but I can definitely like pull it up in a bun and then throw this on. And it feels super secure. Like I think even if the wind takes it, like it's not gonna fall off my head. What do you guys think? Do I look absolutely ridiculous or glamorous? Probably a little bit of both, but that's kind of the look I always go for on the daily. Ridiculous glamour. I'm feeling myself right now. It's a little noisy, I'm not gonna lie, but it feels so secure and it's usually really windy by the lake. I don't think this is gonna fall off. I'm so excited. Okay guys, that is my mini haul. What do you think? Is it too ridiculous? I can't believe I've gotten so much Cult Gaia. This is not normal for me. Some of their bags, they just seem less practical, but they've been coming up with really cute styles, especially this visor. And they have another visor that is a little bit different. It doesn't have necessarily like this, like the straw effect, but look at the inside right here. Like it's just, it's really nice. So they have one that's like similar where it's mostly this material and it's in a lighter color. However, it was more expensive. It was over $300, where this one was at $180. And then I got 10% off because I just bought it from the Cult Gaia website. And if you sign up, you get 10% off your first purchase. So I thought $180 seemed like a lot better, and then 10% off. And of course I think I got Rakuten or, you know, free shipping, all those things. So yeah, guys, what do you think of these items? And what are you looking to get for spring and summer? Put it in the comments down below. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you again. Bye guys.